there is an influx of videos related to CA exam preparations on YouTube, whether it is related to the MCQs, whether it is related to the tricky points, pain points, marathons of all the subject for CA Inter, CA Foundation, like CA final level, and you are jumping from one video to another MCQ video, one RTP solving to another RTP solving, and still you are feeling confused and underprepared. Are you not? So guys, if you are in the midst of the same problem and you don't know where your day is going, and you are just jumping from here and there and thinking like how your day has gone, and now you don't feel like you have grabbed anything out of it, let me tell you, this is not the problem of your effort, it's just the method that you are following is wrong. But before I address your problem in a more detailed manner and giving you the solution, let me just introduce myself. I am Madhu Thakuria. I have cleared my CA after 14 years of being into this journey, have made a hell lot of mistakes, corrected them gradually while I was also pursuing my job with this degree. And since last 1 year, I am here on YouTube mentoring, guiding students. I also now teach CA Inter and CA Final audit since last 1 year to the students, and this is just coming out of my own experience. So stay here if you really wanna get out of this messy situation and correct your way of studying and the method of studying in last 10 days of the examination. Let me handle this in a more simpler way. There are two phases of learning. One is your input phase, one is your evaluation phase. Input phase is where you build your concept by understanding your textbook, by understanding the questions given over there, by solving them, by making your summary notes in the classroom class notes formats, chart book, etc. that you prepare. That is where you build your foundation. Now you can't test something that you haven't understood it first of all. And now let me tell you this with a better analogy, right? If you know that I am a gym going person, I may not look in my best physique, but I'm trying. Now whenever I go to gym, this is what my trainer has told: no matter how energetic you feel in the beginning itself, don't go for the maximum weight that you can carry and the maximum number of repetition for any exercises, because that will drain you out. You're the last set where you carry the maximum weight and more number of repetition is only to test your muscles growth, right? So you can't do that in the first set itself, because that is the testing field, testing that you do, not building the thing. Because if you train yourself so much, then you will not be able to complete your 40-50 minutes of the target of working out. You will not be able to make it. Let's address what is going through with you at this moment. Your YouTube is flooded with the test papers, solution videos, rapid fire MCQs, lots of marathon. I am also one of those person who has put the marathon, so I understand. Now they are useful. I am not saying they are not useful, but only after you have studied your own material, only after you have built your own concept. Don't let testing replace the learning phase. Now, what is the solution? If there are only 10 days given to you, what is the solution over here? You need to prioritize your own syllabus. Are you understanding this, guys? You have to build your conceptual base first. When you build your conceptual base, that means you are looking into your own material, you're looking into your own question bank, you are solving them, you are understanding concept, whatever the concepts are left behind, you are doing it again. For building those concepts, if you want to build, go to the YouTube videos, you will refer to those videos, then you will come back, you will revise and recall again and again. Once you have done all of that, then you go to that MCQs and mock test paper, and you see how much you have trained yourself in that particular concept, and are you making any silly mistakes that you need to correct it, and how well you can apply those concepts, then only you test, right? So now, because there are tons of all the faculties have put that RTP, MTP, can you tell me, did you even analyze then in every exam how many questions are actually coming from those RTPs, MTPs? In every exam you test. They are the testing material. They are not a they are not an indication that these questions are as it is going to be reflected in your exam. So leaving your concept book and the question bank that you already have and doing the videos, you are just fooling yourself. Let me tell you this one last time. Before you click on any of these MCQ videos, RTP solving videos and marathons, ask yourself, am I testing myself, or am I just escaping from the real hard work that I need to do for the learning at this point of time? फोकस ऑन योर बेस फर्स्ट, ऑलवेज बिल्ड योर बेस. कोई नहीं पूछेगा आपसे कि भाई आपने आरटीपी किया था, एमटीपी किया था. अगर आप अपने अपना बेस स्ट्रॉन्ग किया और उस बेस के बेसिस पर आपने खुद सॉल्यूशन क्वेश्चन सॉल्व करके देखे, एंड फिर जाकर के आप एग्जाम में बैठो और फिर देखो कि आपका कॉन्फिडेंस लेवल क्या गजब का होता है. ठीक है. सो टेस्टिंग विल ओनली वर्क व्हेन देयर इज समथिंग सॉलिड इन योर ब्रेन टू टेस्ट. And to build that base, you have got time in your hand. I am recording this video at on 22nd of April, 8:30 बजा हुआ है अभी रात में. And if you are listening to me, please improve, work out on your method, change your method if you are making this mistake. And that's all. Once you are ready with your own base, then you jump and go and see those MCQs. But don't make mock test or MCQs or RTPs as your first base of study. If you are bad at your preparation level so far, pick up the 70 marks portion from each of the subjects and open their question bank and learn to keep the concept book in front of you and keep learning, keep learning, keep learning, because all you have at this moment is the time to study. Do a lot of preparation that you need, and you have the intensity to do it. And I keep on telling you, you have the intensity to do it. So let me repeat this again. Testing will only work when you have something solid in your mind to test it. So don't fool yourself, guys. Don't skip the real hard work that you need to do for learning that concept, right? Promise me that you are going to follow this now, and you are not going to get bothered by all those influx of videos of the RTP, MTP solving in the tricky points this and tricky point that. Chalega? All the best.